Good morning, students. Again, we come back during this lockdown. So, today, English, I will take English class and I will read unit number 9, The Great Stone Face 1. Those students who have not completed its workbook, I will give you a video and then you write in your workbook. Okay. Let's start the summary of this story, The Great Stone Face 1. One afternoon, a mother with her son, Ernest, was at the door of their cottage. They were talking about the Great Stone Face. It was clearly visible in the bright sunshine. Thousands of people lived there. Everybody there was familiar with the Great Stone Face. It was the work of nature. One day the great stone face smiled on Ernest and looked kindly. He wished to hear its pleasant voice. He longed to see a man with such a face in order to love him dearly. There was a man called Gathergold. He had left his native valley many years ago. He had become quite rich in a distant seaport. He decided to return to his native valley. There was a rumor that Gathergold looked like the great stone face. Gathergold had the face of an old man with yellow skin. The people considered him the image of the great stone face. Ernest gazed up the valley. The great stone face seems to reject Gathergold as its likeness. Ernest had grown up to be a young man. Every day he would go off by himself and gaze upon the great stone face. He wondered why its likeness was delaying its appearance. By this time, Gathergold had become poor and died without establishing his likeness with the stone face. Another son of the valley had joined the army as a soldier many years before. He had become a famous commander by then and came to be known as General Blood and Thunder on the battlefield. In his old age, he desired to return to his valley. The people considered him as the likeness of the great stone face. On his return, he was welcomed warmly. The gathering mistook him as the greatest man of all time. Ernest failed to recognize any likeness between blood and thunder and the great stone face. His heart assured him that the real face had still to come. This is the story of Great Stone Face 1, and I am not reading. Next class I will give you the next second part of the story. I hope you will write and read because your exam will come soon in this month, end of this month. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.